Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about cardsrocks.com? If yes, then watch this video because in this video we are going to share Anbi's review on this website. Cardsrock is an online website that is introduced from India that sells kurta, sari, bags, gowns, kids wear, jeans, and home and kitchen appliances. This portal is dedicated totally to women and kids, where the new arrivals are mentioned every week. The site contains several designs and informative description of the product. With the presentation of the site, it is clear and transparent with all the policies and products. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTPS secured website. On their official website, they have mentioned email address, contact details. It was created on 8th May 2021, few months old website. They have not mentioned any return policy on their website. No social media accounts have been attached with this website. The positive point of the website are HTTPS certificate helps connect in the website easily. The website has the latest variety or arrival every week. The website is simple to access. On this website, the customer can easily pay the amount. The negative point of the website are it is just few days old website. It has a poor Alexa rank. It has 1% interest index score. They offer low prices for expensive products like only 159 rupees for an expensive langa. The content and email on the website does not work. Many products on the company are not delivered, have no customer service number or helpline, fake products with fake prices, no SSL certificate. So the question is CardSrock legit? As we are discussing certain factors to check out the legitimacy of the website, we are going to into depth. Like website was recently created, just 133 days old. It makes it suspicious. The website has low popularity and traffic ratio as per Alexa ranking. The trust index of the website is just 1%, which is comparatively extremely low to other functioning websites on the internet. The profile of the store is hidden as well as the owner details and history is not mentioned. The website does not have any review, working contact and customer service. As far as reviews are concerned, like when we are checking out the reviews of the customer on this website, we have found that no authentic reviews is available for the website, and customers are facing prepaid order issues where the delivery of the product is delayed for a month or cancelled later on. Hundreds of customers have a complaint the customer care of for the switching of such illegal app on the website, which can cause the threat to money and banking details of the user. So in our final verdict, we can say that we have found it a suspicious and questionable website because it has a poor Alexa ranking, index score and trust rank. Moreover, the content is not original. They have used fake images and description. They are offering unbelievable discounts. So from our point of view, we are not recommending you at all to shop anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views with us. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box regarding your views and experience on this website.